Unleashing Prosperity, the ultimate guide to 10 lightning-fast money-making strategies for 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an epic ride ahead. We're diving deep into the ways of not just making money, but making it fast in the year 2024. So if you're ready to turbocharge your financial journey, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the good stuff, if you're new here, a massive welcome. Join our community of go-getters by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the heart of today's video. The fastest ways to make money in 2024. Number 1. Find freelance work. First up, we've got the ever-reliable world of freelance work. Being your own boss and taking on contract jobs is the name of the game. And guess what? The internet is your oyster when it comes to freelance opportunities. Check out Upwork. It's the granddaddy of all freelance marketplaces. They've got a plethora of remote gigs waiting for you. But hey, we know time is money, right? That's where Solid Gigs swoops in. They streamline the process, sorting through tasks to find you the best ones. No more wasting time scrolling through a sea of opportunities. It's freelancing made easy. Number 2, take surveys. Let's talk about a classic, taking surveys online. It's a quick and simple way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home. But fair warning, you might not be rolling in dough. Usually, survey sites pay out more in gift cards than actual money. Perfect for those looking to score some cool perks. Remember, patience is key here. Depending on the site, it might take a bit before you see those dollars rolling in. Some sites even have a minimum threshold for cashing out. But hey, it's a great option for those just dipping their toes into the online money-making pool. Number 3, launch a YouTube channel. Now here's where things get exciting, starting your own YouTube channel. It's not just about creating cool content, it's about turning that content into cold, hard cash. AdSense ads are your best friend here. Every click on those ads means money in your pocket. But that's not all. You can also promote products in your videos. Drop a link in the description, lead your audience to your online store, and watch the sales roll in. Make sure to cook up an enticing offer to keep them hooked. And let's not forget about sponsored content. Brands are itching to collaborate, so why not turn your channel into a money-making machine? Endorse products, create content marketing videos. The possibilities are endless. Number 4, online tutoring. Who doesn't love the idea of teaching from the comfort of their own home? Online tutoring is booming, and it's not just for traditional subjects. You can teach anything you're passionate about, from academic stuff to real-world skills. The best part? You get to set your own schedule. Platforms like Preply make it easy to connect with students worldwide. And here's the kicker. You can teach adults from a whopping 180 countries. Number 5, blogging. Blogging for a living? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the right plan and a bit of elbow grease, even beginners can make it happen. The challenge, though, is consistently creating top-notch content. Need a shortcut? Try a paraphrasing tool to whip up original text in a flash. But before you dive in, pick a niche. Choose a theme that resonates with a specific audience in a particular industry. Once you've got that nailed down, the blogging world is your oyster. So get those creative juices flowing and start building your blogging empire. Number 6, part-time job. Sometimes, the good old part-time job is the way to go. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there are perks to working part-time. It's not just about making extra cash, it's also about staying current in your field. With part-time gigs, you usually work fewer hours than the full-timers, giving you that sweet work-life balance. Plus, hourly positions might surprise you with a better income per hour than salaried jobs. And who doesn't love the chance to grab some overtime pay? Number 7, build websites. In a world gone digital, every business needs a killer website. The good news? You don't need to be a coding genius to create one. The demand for web designers is through the roof, and you can cash in on it. Platforms like MailChimp make it a breeze to build slick, professional-looking websites. But here's the secret sauce. Pick a niche before you start. Create a stunning portfolio showcasing your web-building prowess, and then hit the streets to promote yourself. Number 8, podcasting. Now who's into podcasts? I know I am. Podcasts are blowing up and everyone's tuning in. Whether you're stuck in traffic or whipping up a meal, podcasts are there to keep you company. And guess what? You can jump on this bandwagon too. Think about what you're passionate and knowledgeable about, and boom, start a podcast. The options are limitless, so get creative with how you want to structure your show. It's your time to shine, and the world is ready to listen. Number 9, sell school notes. Calling all students, this one's for you. Did you know you can turn your school notes into cold, hard cash? That's right. Sell those study materials, flashcards, summaries, study guides, anything that's a goldmine of helpful knowledge. Now, a quick note. This isn't about plagiarism or academic misconduct. Keep it legit, folks. No sharing unauthorized content or leaking test details. Digital or handwritten notes, take your pick. But let's be real. Digital is easier to format and read. Let the note-selling hustle begin. Number 10. Online Translator. In our globally connected world, being multilingual is a superpower. And guess what? You can turn that power into profit. Translation gigs are in high demand, and you can be the go-to person bridging language gaps. Whether it's interpreting documents or facilitating conversations, there's a world of opportunities. Sure, you might need to pass a few tests or snag specific qualifications, but the potential earnings are all up to you. The more languages you know, the wider your marketability. Time to turn those language skills into dollar bills. Wow, what a journey. We've covered some incredible ways to make money in 2024, and I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take on the world. If you found value in today's video, and I know you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below sharing which money-making method you're most excited to try. Are you freelancing, diving into podcasting, or perhaps starting your blogging journey? I want to hear all about it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our growing community of hustlers, because here at our channel, we're all about turning dreams into reality. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep making those dollars. Catch you in the next one.